Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here at Paul Sherry's. Today I'm out test driving and reviewing this really nice and clean pre-owned 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. Has just under 115,000 miles. Drives out really good, just got done driving it down the road. Sitting on newer Michelin tires they just put on last year. Brakes felt good. Has the V6 in it, 3.6 liter. And automatic transmission as well. Front end all looks good up here. Has down here 17-inch Dodge wheels, again wrapped in Michelin tires. And when we look on the date code on the tires, it's the 30th week of 2021 when they were produced. And they've got a lot of life left on them there. So not an expense you're gonna have anytime soon. Exterior wise on the body looks really good. I did notice just a couple light scratches, might even come out when they buff the car in detail, but a couple little light ones, nothing major. Does have keyless entry with panic, unlock, lock, power liftgate, and power sliding doors. Those power sliding doors are super handy, especially if you've got kids. You can open the door for them, or if they want to open it themselves, they can. You don't have to worry about them swinging open a door, maybe into the car beside you and putting a dent in it. That's never a fun conversation. Has captain's chairs in the second row, which makes for easy passage back into the third row seating. Also, the rear passengers have access to heat and air conditioning controls right here if you want them to. You can also control it from up front. Now, this being a Grand Caravan, you can stow the second row into the floor right here to make for a completely flat area. That's exclusive to the Grand Caravan and Chrysler products. That door shut. And then coming around to the back, we have power wiper back here, electronic defrosting rear window, and then we've got our badging. It does have SXT badging, which is the trim level. It's a nice trim level on this, and your Grand Caravan badging. We're going to open up the liftgate here with the keyless entry. That power liftgate's super handy if you're maybe at the store and your hands are full of groceries, whatnot. You can hit the button on your keyless entry, load the groceries up, nice deep well in here. Notice all these little hooks here. These are actually for those plastic grocery bags where you can hook them there. That way your can of Campbell's soup stays in the bag and doesn't roll around. Now this third row does fold down into the well there. Just simple, you just follow the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy as that, and down it'll go. Then you can lower the liftgate here, or with the keyless entry. It gives you a couple beeps to warn you, get out of the way, and there you go. Get this door shut. I accidentally hit that one instead of the other one. Show you this side here. Driver's side, like the rest of the vehicle, is really sharp. No issues there. Same tire back here in the back, so they replaced all 4. And we'll go ahead and open this up again. Yep, nice and clean, very clean inside. No weird smells or anything like that. Also, financing is available, so if you're interested in payments on this vehicle, just fill out the application that I'll put down in the description. The URL has the word financing in it, so you'll see it. Defrosting side mirrors there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look closer inside. We've got power seat, power lumbar. This right here is actually a spot for an umbrella, nice spot for your wet umbrella. Seat itself looks good, no rips or anything like that. It's cloth interior, and it's black in color, so it's gonna hide all those stains really good if you do happen to spill something in here. All right, got it started up, fires up nice. Get the steering wheel around so you can see the dash. Got 114,630 miles on it. And look at that, no warning lights. There's no Christmas tree of lights on in here, so that's always nice. Last customer definitely took care of it. Has light controls here, power mirrors and windows. Has actually 2 rows of power windows, and then the third row there will actually vent out, so that's nice on a hot day. Leather wrapped steering wheel, hands-free connectivity, tuning control, cruise control, and then volume control all right here. Automatic transmission with, if you put it all the way down here, you can actually manually shift the gears if that's your thing. I don't know too many people that do that. Maybe if you live in the mountains, it's nice to downshift. We've got AM, FM, and satellite radio, CD player. Okay, so heat and air conditioning controls. You have 3 zones. You have your driver zone, passenger zone, and the rear zone. All can be controlled right here. A spot for your phone down there. A couple cubbies. Got 12-volt power, beverage holders, change organizer. I did pull up, check this out. We pull up the history report. One owner. I actually didn't look at this till right now, so I apologize. But yeah, one owner, never been in an accident, which I would agree. Sometimes I like to surprise myself, see if it, yeah, this car's been in an accident, I can tell. But no, this one I definitely couldn't tell, and this confirms that it's never been in an accident. All around, very clean vehicle. We post these on our website. There's 6 or so pages you can dig into, so definitely dig further in that. But the gist of it is it's nice and good. Notice a little mirror there. You can check out what's going on in the back. Also doubles as a sunglass hut. And these are for all those power doors I showed you earlier. All right, thanks for hanging with me. If you're looking for a nice minivan, these drive really good. I love how they sit too. This is a nice one, not too bad on the price either. So I don't think it'll last very long. If you are interested, make sure you call in before you come in. Hate for you to drive all the way over with your heart set on this and it might not be here. So call in before you come in, make sure it's still available. Take care, bye-bye.